And then little by little, you are moving forward. You are earning a little. You are achieving little goals. Because you know that success is not measured by miles, it is measured by inch. Yung mga maliliit mong ginagawa, yung mga maliliit mong achievement, you are giving yourself credit for that. And then now, you are achieving big things. Big goals. You are now being more confident. See yourself spreading love and receiving love. Isipin mo yung feeling na mayaman ka na, kumikita ka na, nabibili mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo para sa sarili mo at para sa pamilya mo. Imagine buying your dream car, nasa showroom ka, nagre-release ng kotse. Sobrang excited ka i-drive, magpipicture ka, magmamay story ka pa. After that, iuwi mo sa bahay. You will celebrate with your mom, your dad, your family.